English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Anonymous, beyond belief, catastrophe. Anonymous. Anonymous is an adjective. C2 learners usually know anonymous. Anonymous describes a person who does not want to give a name. Here are some examples. He wants to remain anonymous. The writer of the report was anonymous. They received an anonymous phone call. Beyond belief. Beyond belief is a noun phrase. C2 learners usually know beyond belief. Beyond belief means too bad, too good, or too difficult to be real. Here are some examples. I agree that this is beyond belief. He cannot see his own obvious failings. It's beyond belief. That there is still malnutrition in Europe is beyond belief. Catastrophe. Catastrophe is a noun. C2 learners usually know catastrophe. A catastrophe is an extremely bad event that may cause a lot of death and destruction. Here are some examples. The Japanese tsunami was a real catastrophe. The endless drought will lead to a humanitarian catastrophe. Environmental catastrophes include the build-up of microplastics in the world's oceans. Now, write some of your own sentences with anonymous, beyond belief, and catastrophe. Download the free C2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.